No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about NVTS stock. NVTS sitting at 18.77. Let's see if it actually breaks out and goes to 20, then 22, then 25. Would be incredible if it does make that kind of move. It is breaking above previous highs here at 18. And not only that, it's going to be quite the fight here because sellers are going to be fighting today. They're not letting it pump above 19, but it's also not dropping below 18. So today's going to be a fight. It's going to be a very important day. It has to hold here. If it doesn't, we're probably going to start seeing some red. It's looking like a rinse and repeat of the past. Green, 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 green. And then finally, when it does sell off, it can drop like holy crap here. Here it dropped from 1670 to 15. Is that it? Oh, I thought it would drop more. No. It dropped from, it dropped like a whole $2. Goddamn. So be careful. This thing can drop a whole $2 in one day once this thing pulls back. So that would be your signal to like get the hell out. So right now I wouldn't sell just yet. I would continue to hold until you see your first red candle. Once you see your first red candle, that would be your sign of hey, might be starting to show some weakness here. But yeah, your targets here. It hit our first target here at around 18s. From here, it's going to be today's going to be a very important day. Either we're going to get hit 20 or we're going to go to 22, 25. If not, we're going to start to pull back. If this thing ever comes back down under 10, which it can, it's always done this. It's gotten a big pump above 10, then it comes back down under 10. You know what to do. Buy that dip under $10. Let me see what the hell is going on with this one. AI power chain ignites. Is that the news? Because this one exploded. The AI compute rally is entering a new phase of expansion. Everything is shifting towards power and energy. So that's why, okay, surprise, surprise, we're going to need the infrastructure. That's why APOD is pumping today too. NVIDIA is pumping because everyone's going to need the chips. So none of this should be surprising at all. This shouldn't be at all surprising that these are moving and holding up very well in a market where we're starting to pull back. We should be pulling back, right? Like, we should be pulling back. Guys, we're not going to have green, 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 and no red ever. We're going to have red days. We're going to have pullbacks. So when NVTS does pull back, get ready to buy the dip. I do not recommend chasing. That would be pretty silly. Hey, guys, I'm going to chase high, hoping it goes higher. No, you wait for the dip. That's where the real money is made. So, yeah, let me zoom out here on the weekly time frame. Whew, wow. Yeah, I mean, look at that. That actually kind of looks... Is that a cup? So yeah, previously it did go to 22, but it has to break 19 to go to 22. Monthly time frame. That's a fat green candle on the monthly. Quarterly time frame. It's absolutely booming. So yeah, we're at a huge, huge level here. So do not be surprised if it just does a rinse repeat of the past and we come down. Again, this has happened multiple times, by the way. Let me look at the past here. You'll notice when I'm about to show you, it's very interesting what I just saw here. In the past, it went from $10 to $22 and then dropped to $3, right? So, and then here it ran at 18, pulled back to 7.5. So what am I trying to show you is that this thing always loves to pump to like 18 to 22, and then it comes right back down to like 7 to 10, or under 10 really. So what am I saying is every time this thing comes under 10, just load up for the next pump to 18 to 22. That's it. This thing has just been doing that over and over again. Today, again, keep an eye on it. Let's see if we get a first red day or we're going to break out and go to 22, 25. I do not recommend selling just yet. That is it for the video. I will see you tomorrow.